afternoon snack.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, don't drip.
Yeah.
It'll be on your leg.
Skin. My acorns.
They're funny too, when they're born, they're only so big, you know. And you pick one up, and you think, oh, it's gonna be squishy little baby. They are rock solid. I mean, hard as a rock. They're like a little potato. Very high decibel squeal, and that's to keep themselves alive when mom tries to lay down on them.
Hello.
They're really great animals. It's too bad they taste so good. Did I say that out loud? Of all the farm animals to want to eat, pigs are top of the list. Pigs top of the list. These were the skittiest bunch of pigs that I've ever had.
Yeah.
But this one was the one that came around first.
Mm. What's that? What's that, chipmunk?
I'll be back in a little bit with the rest of your dinners.
Yeah.
But these are pretty little patch of woods to be in. Meow. Benjamin, you come play with the piggies? Meow. He's just trying to talk me into doling out snacks.
Yeah. Gave the pigs a snack? What about me?
Yeah, my poor honey.